Clarifying an earlier ruling, a federal judge in Fort Worth said yesterday that his injunction that barred the Obama administration from enforcing its school directive on transgender bathrooms applied to every state in the nation. Byron Henry's here. He's an attorney and a constitutional scholar. Can a federal judge apply something to every state in the nation?
Sure can. According to the judge, with adequate citations in his order, a federal district judge has the complete judicial power of the United States and in certain circumstances can enjoin the federal government from enforcing an unlawful or unconstitutional rule or policy nationwide. And that's just what Judge O'Connor did, is he basically clarified that the injunction he issued against the Department of Education and the federal government applied nationwide, not just to the 13 states that brought the lawsuit.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so again, what is it that he's saying? What is it that he has barred from the Obama administration?
He has barred the Justice Department, the Department of Education, and basically the executive branch of the federal government from enforcing or taking any action based on their new interpretation of Title IX, which is that the word sex in the anti-discrimination provision that prohibits discrimination based on sex also includes gender identity. And the judge has basically said you can't take that position in court cases, nor can you enforce that rule or threaten enforcement by the withholding of federal funds until he makes a final ruling or a higher court overrules his order.
Okay, and what is the Obama administration doing? Are they saying anything, or are they just keeping quiet for now?
Well, they asked for clarification, and in fact, the court did not fully clarify his order. There's still a question whether this order is also going to apply to Title VII, which deals with not schools and education, but it deals with workplaces, because the federal government has also taken the same position on the gender identity issue in Title VII, which is workplace discrimination based on sex. So the judge asked for more briefing on that issue, so we'll get an answer in a few weeks on that. The government is considering its right to appeal, which it can, to the Fifth Circuit. So that's the next step in the process, is they can file an appeal to the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals in New Orleans, at which time a three-judge panel will rule on Judge O'Connor's decision. But for now, the federal government, especially the Department of Justice, is prohibited from taking the position that gender identity is included, is sex discrimination under federal law.
Yeah, okay. Byron Henry, do you have a website you'd like people to go to?
Certainly. It's www.solidcounsel.com.
All right. Thank you so much for being here on Trending Today USA. I appreciate it.